Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set billing method for a project here in Zoho Projects. All right. So first up, when you go ahead and create a project, let's say, for example, I'm going to click on new, then maybe create from scratch. Okay. When you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you'll have the option to select budget type. Okay. And also enable finance in here. Also expense. So once you have created your project, you can go ahead over to the project section. Select the project. For example, we have a YouTube project right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the view details tab. Okay, just click on it. Now, once done, in here under budget, we have the billing method. Just click on the drop down and you can go to select based on project hours, staff hours, or tasks or issues, or even fixed price. Okay, if you want to set it up on other projects, just click on project right here in the left panel and just do the same thing. Okay. And there you have it. Just basically select one. And once that's done, click on save right here and you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.